What's up everybody, Goat Toaster 9, JJ Shankles here. Today we've got a gimbal review. Today it's a smartphone gimbal this time. We've got the Zhiyun Smooth Q2. It's a pocket cell phone, smartphone, video phone gimbal. We're going to get into that in this review. Some initial thoughts, I'm going to show you some footage, show you how to set up and balance it, because you do have to balance it on this one a little bit. I've got the new phone from OnePlus, the 7 Pro. So it's a large, heavy phone, so it did take a little bit of balancing on this one, but it's incredibly easy to do and give you some great smooth shots. So let's get into it. First part of the review is unboxing. So this was actually kind of difficult to open up. Slide out, then the open. You'll get some instruction manuals. On the side here, there's a small charging cable. It's USB-C, which I really like to see in new electronics to make it USB-C. It's just such a better connector. It's reversible, future-proof. You got your attachment that's going to hold onto your phone, and then you get to the whole gimbal is one entire piece. The foam holds it in there very secure. It's not going to get damaged in shipping. And this is it. This is the entire thing. So it doesn't fold up any smaller than this. This is a nice small size. You can fit it in a bag. It's a little bit larger than the size of my hand. Nice and small, easy to use, simple controls. There's a power button, there's a record or take a picture button, and then there's your joystick, which also presses in to switch between the modes. And you've got 5 different modes with this. It's very easy to use. In the instruction manual, there's a little diagram showing you how, and it moves across the screen from left to right. And if you single tap, it'll move to the right. Double tap moves left, which is super easy to use. Easy to understand once you get into it and understand what the letters mean, which it only takes a couple times through and you'll get it easy to learn, which I love. They're just user-friendly on a simple interface like that. But the best way to show you guys how to set it up is to do it. This is the OnePlus 7 Pro that I got right here, and we're gonna hook it up. On the clip, there's a little arrow showing you which side the camera should be on. So since the camera's on that side, place it there. You hook your camera onto that, and then there's going to be this arrow. Very easy, you just slide it in place, lock it down. There's a red tab on the back. Press that to the lock position, and it holds it all in place. Hard to show, easy to do. And then you're going to want to make it kind of lay flat like that. Right now it's bending to that side. So you just slide it the other direction. To me, it's on the middle bottom of the phone. See how it's kind of laying flat like that? That's fine. Now it's ready to balance. Hold down the power button. Flashes lights. It's smooth now. So the app is called ZY Play. Super easy to open and get into it real quick. You say connect now, connecting to device, enter the device, and now it's up and running. So it's really nice how smooth this is and easy to set up. That was fairly quick for an entire gimbal setup. And now you can, even it's connected to there, you can do things like starting and stopping your video all from one-handed motion. You don't have to be reaching up and trying to press different settings on the phone. It's all controllable down here. This one's in lock motion right now. It really does a good job at locking it in, keeping it very smooth. I have some example videos. I went out to the park today and shot a couple. These are just some quick shots. These were me really testing out the gimbal to see how good it can do in some pretty rough situations. But let's see how it went. So overall, pretty impressed for a gimbal. In this price range, it went really well. There's a lot of steep competition in the cell phone gimbal right now from almost every single manufacturer, from Zhiyun, Feiyutech, DJI even has one out. Benro made a new one recently. There's almost every company and every off company of that brand now has a new smartphone gimbal, and this is just one that I really liked. Really like the solid joystick here. Like the solid, it's plastic with a little grippy rubber cover on it. Gives a very solid feel in the hand. You're not going to drop this. Very good stabilization, but that's one that about all of them have. They're all going to have really good stabilization, and the little bit of perfection is going to come from how good you learn to use your thing. Learning how the settings are, learning the correct technique to using a gimbal is a lot more than just getting a good gimbal and pointing, waving around. This is going to be bad on any gimbal. The best gimbals will look bad, is going to shake when you do that. But if you get a good one and you really take the time to learn it, this can produce some really incredible footage. I would say for complaints, if I had any for the thing, there's a screw mount on the bottom, so you could attach a tripod mount. I wish it came with some little tripod feet on there. That would be a nice addition to there. Replaceable batteries, some people like them, some people don't. I prefer the internal battery with a USB charger. I prefer that over the external. That's just something someone could complain about, but I don't really prefer that. I like the simple controls. I like how easy it is to maneuver it. I liked the app, honestly. I liked how simple and easy to use it was. Sometimes apps try to get too involved. It takes pictures, does video, and it works without being complicated. So let me know in the comments down below if you have any questions about this gimbal, or if you're trying to set it up and are having trouble, let me know. Maybe I can get back to you with that. And while you're down there, make sure you like and subscribe to this channel so you don't miss any more videos. I'm thinking about doing a review between this one and the Vlog Pocket by Feiyutech. They're two smartphone gimbals I have. Just comparing them, comparing and contrasting. So subscribe and make sure you don't miss out on that one. And if you subscribe, you'll make sure you won't miss that one when it comes out. Thank you guys. Hope you have an amazing day. Go Toaster out.